Okay guys, let's melt some copper and take this juicy watermelon. Just a second. I'm sorry, but I can't resist anymore. Juicy watermelon in April. I am sorry, but I will do that. And since everyone understands what will happen now, let's just do it. Guys, for some reason most of the molten copper remained inside, so I decided to make another attempt, and wish me good luck. Wow! Have you seen this? Watermelon seemed to be boiling inside. And now there is an incredible smell of watermelon around, and I want to try it so bad. Well, let's cut it and see what's inside. This piece of copper is still hot. The watermelon is warm too, but that won't stop me from eating it. Well guys, we'll show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.